Hey everyone, so let's talk about something that every single one of us has faced. You've spent all this time, maybe weeks, building the perfect website on your computer. It looks amazing, locally. But then comes the big question. How do you actually get it out there for the world to see? Let's dive in. Exactly. This is that moment. You have everything ready to go. The code, the design, all the content is perfect. But then you look at it and think, okay, now what? Getting it from your laptop to a real, live website feels like this giant, scary step. It's kind of overwhelming, right? Like, where do you even start? Well, for years, the answer to what's next was a whole lot of technical pain. Let's just quickly run through the old, complicated way of doing things. I have a feeling some of these frustrations are going to hit a little too close to home for some of you. First off, you suddenly have to become a server manager. You're expected to know SSH, play around in the command line, set up all these weird environments. I mean, come on, it feels like a totally separate full-time job. And it's a huge distraction from the thing you actually set out to do, which was, build and share your cool website. And then, if you get past that, you have to log into one of those control panels. You know the ones, cPanel, Plesk, and whoa, it's like looking at the dashboard of a space shuttle. There are 1,000 buttons, a million settings, and 99% of them have absolutely nothing to do with what you need, which is just to get your simple site online. Oh, and the fun doesn't stop there. Don't forget the constant maintenance. All of a sudden, you are the one responsible for security patches and software updates. And if you miss one, your site could be totally vulnerable to attacks. It's this non-stop, nagging worry in the back of your mind. And then, after all that blood, sweat, and tears, the worst thing happens. Your site just goes down. For no reason. Unexpected downtime is the ultimate gut punch. And with that old school hosting, guess who has to play detective and figure out why? Yep. You. Okay, so that's the nightmare scenario. But what if we could just skip all of that? I mean, just bypass all those headaches completely. Well, that's where the modern way of doing things comes in. Let's talk about a solution that is built from the ground up to be simple and, most importantly, fast. The whole idea is based on something called static site hosting. Now, don't let the name scare you. All it really means is this. You don't have to manage a server anymore. The service does all the heavy lifting. You just give them your finished website files, your HTML, your CSS, and they take care of the security, the performance, the uptime, all of it, so you can get back to focusing on the fun part, your actual website. And the best part, the part that's a total game changer, it's how ridiculously simple the process is. I'm not kidding. We're talking about taking that folder on your computer and having a live worldwide website in literally 3 easy steps. Okay, so how does it actually work? Step 1, you grab your website folder or zip it up and just drag and drop it. Seriously, that's it. Step 2, you give it a name. You can use a free name they give you just to get it live, or you can hook up your own fancy custom domain. And step 3 is basically just clicking go live. And you're done. Your site is instantly online, it's secure, and it's out there for everyone to see. All right, I know what you're thinking. This sounds almost too easy. Is this actually for me and my project? That's a fair question. So let's get into the specifics of who really benefits from this and which types of websites are perfect fit. This is a lifesaver in a few common situations. Like maybe you hired a developer and they just handed you a folder of files and said, here you go, and you have no idea what to do next. Or maybe you are the one who built a cool portfolio site on your computer and you just want to share it. Or hey, maybe you're just sick and tired of your current hosting being slow and complicated. If you want high performance without any of the maintenance headaches, this is for you. So, what kind of sites work with this? Well, your classic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript websites, absolutely perfect match. If you're using some of the newer frameworks like React or Vue, it's super simple. You just upload the final build folder. And for you pros using static site generators like Hugo or Gatsby, this is pretty much what they were made for. Even if you have an old PHP site, if you can export it to plain HTML, you can use this. Okay, let's talk about the practical stuff. With any service, you want to know exactly what you're getting into. So let's be super clear about who does what they handle, versus what you're still in charge of. And of course, let's talk about the price. And really, this split is the whole point. Think of it this way. They handle all the boring, complicated tech stuff in the background. The servers, the security, the updates, all that jazz. And that leaves you free to be in total control of the stuff that actually matters. your website's content, the design, your brand. It's a really smart way to work. And here's the part that just blows every excuse out of the water. To get your first site up and running, the starter plan costs nothing. Zero. Zilch. That's right, it's free. This means you can literally try the whole thing, get your project live for the world to see, and it will cost you a dime. There's no risk. And if you need more down the road, the other plans are super straightforward. That free plan is perfect for your first personal project. Then there's a creator plan for just $5 a month, which is awesome because it lets you use your own custom domain on up to 3 websites. And for the freelancers and agencies out there, the Pro plan gives you way more sites and some extra bells and whistles. So at the end of the day, it all boils down to one simple promise: making it fast and easy to get your website online. The fact that you don't even have to pull out your wallet to get started, that removes all the friction. This is all about getting your ideas and your work out there for people to see without any of the old school hassle. So that really just leaves one big question, doesn't it? When all of those technical roadblocks are just gone? When you can take a folder from your computer and turn it into a live website in just a few minutes, what are you going to build? What amazing thing are you going to create and share with the world? I can't wait to see. Thanks for watching.